It's been a few weeks. Family stuff came up one weekend, wedding gig another weekend. I made a wireless phone charger out of a Spam can. That was for an Instructable contest. Didn't place. I put the fancy gate mech in a contest, got runner-up. And the router mill's in a contest which closes Monday, so we'll see what happens. Bill says we need the domino. Not sure why. We'll find out. All these cases are because of the musters. I think there's one left, so once those are over, those cases go back in the loft. It's a little blown up. It's got my blood pressure up a bit. Oh boy. Looks like the day's starting with some powder coating. Yep. Sandblasting. Polying some hoops. Drilling some shells. Hellcats are waiting on heads. Then they can be roped and pressed. And then these funny looking things.
Yeah. That was a bizarre project.
This is hardware for a 28-inch kick. How deep is it?
12. One of the guys who was playing drums on the SpongeBob SquarePants Broadway tour, after playing the 12 by 28 we did for that show, he really loved it. And then was like, hey, I'm going out on another show. I was like, hey, I'm going out on another show. I really like a drum like that. You know, can I get one? And then pandemic happened, and he was like, well, now I have no idea if I'm going out on another show or not. But now that he got booked for something, we're making it.
I think that thing's giving out its death scream.
Yeah, it's the water filter thing. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but figure that out before it blows up.
Here's the drum. Metallic wrap. She's a big girl. Also, gotta check out Bill's on and off switch for the dust collector. It's so stupid, it's cool.
It's awesome. Stupid awesome. Try this again. Oh yeah.
So these are carries, and they're bronze. We have them cast by a foundry in Somerville. And over time, they were warbling out from the carry hook. So Jim added some steel bushings, which meant we had to blast them down and repowder coat. Bill beat me to the hoops, so sanding.
Yeah, first pass anyway. There'll be more.
Swapped out the color, shooting clear.
Yep.
I really only keep filming this because I want to see it catch on fire again.
Yeah, I know, right? That was crazy. fire. I don't know, man. I don't know what happened that time. Nice.
I'm attaching the carry loops to the Hellcat rims. It's a brass bolt, washer, lock washer, acorn nuts. Got 10 of them. It's exciting.
Oh yeah.
Bilbo Baggins over here playing with his new hobby.
Yeah.
We got a cardboard template. We got to make some laser templates.
Yeah, the first question was like, how big is this ridiculous thing going to be? And then where does this top line going to fall to, you know, where the pickups and the neck pockets are? And it's looking like going to have to go about there, so we're going to have to add a little bit more wood in here, but I'm not too worried about that. I think that's fine. Otherwise,
We got to add some wood to the top, some wood to the sides, and then we got to make some additional wing pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think we have a pretty good plan. I mean, proportionally, well, this thing is insane, but I think that this pretty well meets the goal. I think that we're in pretty good shape here.
I thought it was a secret, but it's online, so it's public knowledge.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know if they'd announced it yet or not, but apparently they have, so. Yeah.
We're making a guitar
We're making a guitar.
for Elder Scrolls.
Yes.
Ridiculous.
It's going to be completely insane.
You know we're a drum shop, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I know. But a gig's a gig, and they're paying me, and I'm broke, so.
Fair enough. I'm of the opinion that Loctite is like hot sauce. They give you the smallest dang bottle. They know you want more, but they give you this tiny little bottle. You either get nothing out of it, or the whole dang thing comes out, floods your food, you eat it anyway, your butthole burns the next day. It's a problem. Coming along. Bill's looking for tension rods long enough, if we have them. Supplier sent the wrong size head for the top, so I won't be able to completely finish it, unfortunately. We don't have enough tension rods, so looks like I'm putting another coat of poly on these bad boys. Coat number 4 can dry overnight. Bill's over here cutting fabric for bell covers for brass instruments, so your spit doesn't travel 18 feet and fly out and infect the world. And we got some templates made for this. We want to do it in one central chunk and then 2 side chunks. I forgot to mention, that's an online sweepstakes. So you can go to like the Elder Scrolls website and enter to win. I don't know what hoops you gotta jump through to win it, but you could win it. Bell cover. Tuck it up again. Yep.
Alright, let's try this.
Maybe you can add some material to the waistline of my pants while you're at it.
Yeah, right. Feel your pain.
Alright, we're shutting down for the evening. Enjoy the hell out of yourself.